Ever wondered if your dash cam is really catching everything around you, or if blind spots are leaving you unprotected? That's where today's product comes in. Welcome back to Autovated, and in this review, we're breaking down the Vantrue N5 4-channel Wi-Fi dash cam bundle, which includes the Hardwire kit, CPL filter, and a wireless remote control. I've gone through expert insights, mechanic feedback, and verified buyer reviews to give you the most balanced look at what this 360-degree dash cam can actually do for drivers like you. At its core, the Vantrue N5 is designed to eliminate blind spots. It's the world's first 4-channel dash cam setup with a front, rear, inside cabin, and a unique rear cabin lens, together covering a full 360 degrees in up to 2.7K plus 1080p resolution. The STARVIS 2 sensor gives it a serious advantage at night, keeping license plates and cabin details visible even in low light or backlit conditions. Add in built-in GPS, 5G Wi-Fi for fast transfers, and 24-hour parking mode powered by the Hardwire kit, and you've got a system built for constant protection and convenience. The CPL filter reduces windshield glare, while the wireless remote means you can lock videos or snap images without fumbling with menus, ideal when seconds count. The top features worth noting here are, first, the true 360-degree coverage. Most dash cams promise wide angles, but still leave blind spots. The N5's side and cabin coverage stand out, especially for parents, rideshare drivers, or anyone carrying valuables. Second, STARVIS 2 night vision is a game changer. Reviews consistently mention it catching details where others turn grainy. Third, the 5G Wi-Fi and GPS combo makes sharing footage and tracking routes seamless, something older models can't match. On the positive side, the video quality is sharp across all 4 channels, and the cabin coverage is unmatched in this category. The STARVIS 2 sensor is praised by both experts and drivers for its clarity at night, and the included CPL filter noticeably improves daytime footage. Add the convenience of a wireless remote and constant protection via the Hardwire kit, and the bundle feels well thought out. On the downside, you'll need a high-capacity memory card since 4 channels eat up storage quickly, and some users report the app interface can be a bit clunky compared to premium rivals. Installation is also more involved than a standard 2-channel dash cam. When comparing it to alternatives, the ThinkWare U3000 offers sharper 4K resolution up front, but only 2 channels. The Blackview DR970X does cloud storage better, but again, it can't match the N5's 360-degree coverage. For rideshare or family use, the Vantrue bundle is far more comprehensive, though if you only care about front and rear footage, those competitors may be easier and cheaper to manage. If this breakdown is putting you in the driver's seat for smarter buying decisions, tap that like button and subscribe so you don't stall out on the latest reviews. We drop them fast and fresh. As for build quality, Vantrue is known for sturdy housings, and verified buyers back this up with reports of the N5 holding up well in heat and cold. While it's still relatively new, Vantrue's track record with earlier models like the X4S and N4 suggests long-term reliability is likely. Customer support has been described as responsive, with firmware updates already rolling out via OTA upgrades, which shows ongoing brand commitment. So who is this for? If you're a daily commuter, rideshare driver, or parent who wants maximum coverage for both the road and the cabin, the N5 bundle is a strong fit. If you only need a simple front-facing cam, this is probably overkill. Verdict? This is one of the strongest options in its class for all-around protection. The 360 degrees recording and STARVIS 2 night vision make it a standout, and while it's pricier and more complex to set up, the peace of mind and extra features justify it for those who want complete coverage. If budget is tighter, or you only need front and rear recording, the Blackview or ThinkWare alternatives may suit you better. Thanks for watching, and if you're curious to check out this dashcam bundle, links are waiting in the description and comments. Share your thoughts below if you've tried Vantrue before. I'd love to hear your experiences. Until next time, keep your ride protected and your drive autovated.